Hey guys, so we're back with another video for Project Element. We're gonna try to pull the IACV and clean it out so it can stop the engine from pulsating, where it revs up and then it comes back down, and then it revs up and then it comes back down. And when it does that, it causes it to be a bumpy ride too, because it causes the engine to pulse. So first thing we did is we went ahead and removed the negative terminal on the battery. We removed the wire going to that, and the IACV is down here, so we're gonna start taking everything apart so we can get to it. So we'll be back with an update here in just a little bit. Okay guys, so where we're at now is we removed the piece of air intake valve, or not valve, air intake that was here, running from down here up to here, and disconnected it completely. The IACV is down right here, this black piece of plastic right there. So we're gonna go ahead and get ready to take that out. So I'll be back in a minute and show you the progress as we go. So we just finished removing the throttle body and IACV off the car. This is the IACV. So we're gonna go inside, take it inside. We put some, what is it? Deep Creep lubricant by Seafoam on the little Phillips head screws, which I think is the stupidest design ever, to put Phillips head screws on there, because when Phillips head screws rust, they're basically impossible to get out. But we're gonna take it inside and see if we can work on this a little bit and get those screws out so we can pull the IACV off and clean it. So we're gonna head inside and we'll give you guys an update here in a little bit if we make any headway. Okay guys, so we are back. The other night we ended up taking the throttle body back to the shed, and we did get the IACV off. We ended up having to use a little Dremel tool and cut the heads of the screws off. Unfortunately, when we went to try and drill them out, my grandfather was helping, and we did not drill the holes straight, so we could not reattach the IACV. So we purchased a new one for new throttle body. It came with the IACV attached. The cost for that I will put up on the screen, and the link to that part will be in the description. But anyways, right now we are cleaning the old gasket off of the car where the throttle body connects to it. We're just using a green scrubby pad. And the new throttle body, let me see if I can grab that real quick. It's right here in the front seat of the car. There is the new gasket right there, and the new throttle body is right here, wrapped up in there. And the funny thing is, the 04 Honda Accord and the 04 Element actually have the same exact throttle body and IACV. What'd you say? We're gonna see if it works, but they have like the same exact one, pretty much. But if you order the one for the Element, it costs anywhere from, let's say, $383 up to $500. I saw one at $500, and the ones for the Accord range from anywhere from, I don't know, I saw one for like $60 up to $300. So my little brother just came out, and what was I going to say? Anywhere from like $60 to $300. So it's almost cheaper to buy the one for the Accord Honda Element. It looks like it's the exact same part, and people said that it works, so we're gonna go ahead and give that a try. We ordered it. It was only like $80-some for that, plus the gasket. So my dad is attempting to install that now, the new one over here, and it came with the new IACV. So as you can see, the IACV is down in there. Here's the new throttle body. It's brand new and shiny, so it looks nice. So we're gonna go ahead and install that, and then we'll give you guys an update here in a little bit. Okay guys, so we got the new throttle body and IACV put in. This is where it's at right now. We put in the 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 2 nuts and 2 bolts. We reconnected the vacuum line, the 2 coolant lines for the IACV, the, what are they called? Throttle
cables.
Throttle cables, and reconnected the throttle body sensor, I believe that's what that's called.
Yes, throttle position sensor.
Position sensor. And then, where is it? Right here. The IACV, plug that back in.
Yes.
So that's where we're at so far. Did you have anything you wanted to
No.
add?
The bracket on this one is a little different. I'm gonna see if there's a way to move this. If not, we'll just zip tie this here. I don't know if you can see that right there, but the bracket on the old one, as you can see, faces upward. The new bracket faces downward. It's the only discernible difference. We probably could have moved it before we started, but we didn't. So we're gonna see if we can't just zip tie that if we can't get it to move.
Okay. So that's it for now, guys. We will be back with an update here in a little while. Okay guys, so we finished installing the throttle body down here and got all of the air intake stuff and everything hooked back up. Now we have to do the relearning process for the idling of the vehicle. So that is what we were up to now. My dad's over here in the vehicle.
Turn the key on for 2 seconds. Then start the vehicle. Keep your RPMs at about 3,000 until the fans come on.
So you have to start the car, wait, we'll turn on the car, wait 2 seconds, then start it all the way and keep your RPMs at 3,000 for how many minutes?
It says 5 minutes.
5 minutes until the fans cycle on. So we're just waiting for the fans to come on. Okay guys, we are back. We started to do the relearning process and now we're just letting it idle. But if you guys can hear the difference compared to the first video we put up where we were showing it rev up and down, this engine is like silent now. It's like nothing. I'm gonna see if I can pull the other video and do a comparison and show you guys what it sounded like, but it's like night and day, like my dad said. But that's it for now for this video, guys. So if you enjoyed it, give it a like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching and have a great day.